Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing demo review of what I think is one of the most innovative and cool MagSafe compatible cases I've ever seen. This is by Caseku, and this is a super cool MagSafe case. I'll show you right up front why. This not only makes the case MagSafe compatible, you can use this with any MagSafe accessories as well as charging the phone, but this has a hinge and it comes out to become a stand. And that's what makes this case really super cool and unique. Now this is a translucent matte black finish case, so really excellent case. Real quick, let me tell you about what else comes in that box. You do get these groovy little stickers here, which they include just as a token. You also get this stand. Caseku almost always includes a free gift with their cases, and a lot of times you get one of these cool stands, so you can just stick your phone in there and you can take this with you anywhere to have a stand. Of course, with this particular case, you don't necessarily need that because it's got a built-in stand. So let's take a quick look at the case off the phone, and then I'm going to put it on the phone, and we'll take a look at it on there. You can see you've got this nice translucent finish, so you can see the color of your phone through it, but you don't see fingerprints at all because of this nice matte translucent finish. Then you've got black borders around the side. You do have air cushions in the corners for protection. You can kind of see those in there. You can't see it as much on a black case, but there are air cushions inside those corners to protect it. And you've got all the coverings and cutouts that you would need. So let's get this on the phone so we can see this in action on the phone. I'm going to put that in there. Goes on the phone, and nice and easy. And first off, let's take a look at this ring. So this is a nice MagSafe compatible metal ring. It doesn't make the case any thicker. It's very, very thin, but it does make your case fully MagSafe compatible. So you can use this on a MagSafe stand. You can use this on your MagSafe car mount. You can use this with any of the MagSafe accessories just like you would any other MagSafe compatible case. It is fully MagSafe compatible. But what makes it cool is you've got this little, and I love that they have that little cutout there that makes it easy. See that? So that makes it easy to pull this out, and then you pull that out and boom, you've got a built-in stand so you can stand your phone up. It'll work both in vertical mode and horizontal mode, which is just really super, super cool. And then when don't need the stand, just fold it back up and you're good to go, and use this case like a MagSafe case. So that's just really awesome, and it looks good, it works great, makes this one of the coolest cases I've ever seen. Even the hinge, like the hinge is not sticking out above the case, it's all nice and flush, just like as if it were a MagSafe case, any other MagSafe case, which is great. Now let's take a quick look at the other features of the case. You do have full protection around the camera lens. You can see nice thick bezel around the camera lenses to protect those. So you lay your phone down on the back, those are going to be protected. You also have a nice raised lip all the way around the front screen. And so that's going to protect your screen. Even if you lay your phone down flat, your screen won't be touching because you've got that nice raised bezel all the way around the phone. You've got all the button covers and cutouts that you would expect. You can see here, nice, easy access to your volume rockers. You've got plenty of space to get in there for your vibrate mode to switch that without any issues. On the bottom here, nice wide cutout for the lightning port to be able to use any cable you have, as well as cutout for the speakers. Over here on the other side, you've got the power button cover, and again, nice cover, easy to fill that and control that without any issues at all. You've got your Caseku logo over here, and you can see you've got this nice little divot, and that happens on both sides of this phone, so that holds really, really well when you're holding it. And then you do have a place here where you can attach a little lanyard if you want to, so that's there as well. Just really excellent case, looks great. Protects your phone the way you would expect your phone to be protected, has all the right cutouts, and then it's MagSafe compatible, and on top of that, you can use that as a stand. Fold it out and you have a stand. So really An innovative, feature-rich, highly protective and translucent, no fingerprint case by Casecoo. If you're looking for a MagSafe compatible case for your iPhone 14 series phones, and especially you're looking to add some functionality, then this case with the built-in metal ring stand, MagSafe compatible stand, is definitely a case that I would recommend. One of the coolest cases on the market for the iPhone 14 series phones. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.